You want to rename an account, fix a connection, or clean up how your accounts appear in Quicken? Well, good news, you're in the right place. Today I'll walk you through the account details window in Quicken Classic Business and Personal, tab by tab, so you can get your accounts looking and working exactly how you want. Be sure to like, subscribe, and check the description for more Quicken tips and helpful discounts. To open an account's details, just head to the account bar on the left, right-click the account name, and choose Edit Delete Account. Or you can go to Tools, Account List, then click Edit next to the account that you want to update. This is going to open the account details window, where you're going to see 3 tabs: General, Online Services, and Display Options. The General tab is where you're going to customize the basics. Account name, you can rename it to something meaningful to you, like Business Checking or Kelly's Visa. You can even add the last 4 digits of the account number to make it more recognizable. The description, this is optional. It's helpful for reminders or account notes. The account type, this is going to be like credit, savings, checking, or investment. It should match your actual account. Then the interest rate is useful for loans and lines of credit. Credit limit alerts. You can set up alerts to warn when you're close to the limit. Financial institution information. If you've set this up online, this is going to usually be filled in for you. The contact name and number. This you can put in if you know somebody specifically at a bank or your credit card. If you have their phone number, you can put this information in here. Any websites, if you want quick reference for these, you can add those. And then your comments box, would be specific for you. If you have any notes that you want to reference, you can put in there. So down at the bottom, you're going to also see options like delete account. Now this should be used as a last resort. You're better off to archive or close the account instead, because deleting can cause issues in Quicken. Just keep that in mind. Assign a tax schedule. This is important if you want transactions to flow into tax reports correctly. Quick tip here, be sure to label business and personal accounts clearly, especially if you manage both in one file. The Online Services tab is going to be about connecting Quicken to your bank or credit card provider. Notice you're going to see buttons like Set Up Now. This is to help start downloading transactions from your financial institution. If your account's already set up, you're going to see Deactivate. This is if you want to turn off online downloads. You may also see the option to Reset Account, which is useful if things stop syncing correctly. You may also see an Improve Connection. This is sometimes available to upgrade how your connection works. I do have a video coming soon that explains these different connections, so stay tuned for that in the coming weeks. Not every account supports online services. Some will remain manual, and if your login changes or you get locked out, this tab is where you're going to fix that. The Don't Update memo when downloading. Sometimes Quicken can download a bunch of mumbo jumbo into your memo column. I do know that happens. If you don't want this, you can check the box here. It can be useful if you're entering your own information in the memo column. If you want your Quicken balance to match your bank exactly, check Reconcile using Online Balance. Display Options tab. This tab is small but powerful when it comes to organizing your workspace. Keep this account separate. Hides it from reports and net worth totals. Now, why would you want to do this? Well, maybe you have closed or old accounts. Maybe you're tracking your personal wealth and you need to keep that separate from your business. Or maybe you're keeping track of someone else's finances, maybe an elderly parent or a child, and you don't want those included with yours. The Hide in Transaction Entry Lists. This is great if you no longer use the account. Transfer drop-down lists can get cluttered with many accounts, so checking this box can make it easier to find the account you want when doing a transfer. Hide in Accounts bar. This is a good choice when the balance is zero or the account is closed, or you don't need to see it every day, like your mortgage account. You can still find it by clicking More Accounts. Use this button if you want to close the account. Now, closing the account will automatically hide it in the transaction entry lists. Account Intent. This is going to help categorize the account as credit or liability, or personal, business, and rental. Hiding accounts is a great way to archive old or inactive accounts without deleting any data. Okay, so just to recap, in the Account Details window, you can 1. Rename and describe your account, 2. Set or fix online access, 3. Control how and where it appears in Quicken. Why don't you take a few minutes today, go through your account list, clean things up, see how it works for you, especially if your Quicken file is starting to feel a little cluttered. If you'd like to learn more about the accounts bar, watch this video right here. And if you found this helpful, please give it a like, subscribe, and check the description for related videos. See you there!